time to make this noodle. It's a dry one, right? Yes, dry noodle. So lame, I pour it like that. That's inside. Chili pack. The noodle is black too. Yes, this is what I'm excited for. Okay guys, so for this is a special release for now. I've finally gotten the ghost pepper spicy chicken noodle from Malaysia. Thanks to my friend Jasmine, thanks. And before anything else happened, I would like to say like thanks for being my friend, for every one of you, those who know me. Okay. I'm already tearing before I eat it. It's alright, I think my nose was just being allergic to the ghost pepper. Alright, so there is a marking here of the level of spiciness. Okay, bell pepper 0, jalapeno 8,000, cayenne 50,000, orange habanero 350,000, ghost pepper 1 million. Let's try this. I want to talk further. Like the noodle is even grey color. Ooh. Ya Allah. Wah. Oh, it's so spicy, I'm hiccuping. Oh, I cannot. Alright, so if you're wondering where I'm going right now, because my friend just delivered the ghost pepper noodle to me and they're all downstairs. I hope all or just one of them. I'm gonna go down because I told her I was going to make it and eat rather than sleep. I'm gonna let her try this. Wonderful. So the person, yeah, the noodle is black color, that's true, but I should try it. It's like, and at first, oh, you feel the moment, right? Then I took a whole bunch and bite into it. So 2 spoonfuls is. That's not enough. That's not enough. All the way from Malaysia. Do it. Imagine I scoop it like a normal scoop of noodle. Oh. You take one. Crazy. You take one time. I take one time to that. No. I took more. Yeah. Don't die, man. Rest in peace. Yeah. Enough. How do you feel about it? I'm going to throw it away. You want it?
Very spicy.
I know. You will not go with water, seriously. I had 2 bites of fruits, 1 mineral water, milk, coffee, and black coffee and cold brew. It got worse, I know, right? Yeah, guys, so that's how it feels like. I do not have sausage lips, but thanks for buying, and thanks to your friend for buying. Now we know this thing no good. Oh.